The importance of getting more sleep. Sleep is not just a luxury, it's a fundamental necessity for optimal health. When we sleep, our bodies engage in essential repair processes. This includes the rejuvenation of cells, tissues, and even our brains. Lack of sleep, on the other hand, can lead to a cascade of negative effects. Firstly, insufficient sleep can impair cognitive function. Think about it. When you're sleep deprived, your ability to focus, remember, and make decisions diminishes significantly. Moreover, studies show that chronic sleep deprivation can lead to long-term issues, including anxiety and depression. This creates a vicious cycle. Poor sleep contributes to mental health challenges, which in turn disrupt sleep further. Furthermore, sleep plays a critical role in physical health. For instance, during deep sleep, the body produces hormones that are vital for growth and muscle repair. Additionally, sleep regulates appetite. When we don't get enough rest, our bodies produce more ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and less leptin, which signals satiety. Consequently, this imbalance can lead to weight gain and obesity. On a societal level, the implications of widespread sleep deprivation are staggering. Increased accidents, reduced productivity, and healthcare costs soar as a result of sleep-related issues. In conclusion, prioritizing sleep isn't merely about feeling rested. It's about enhancing our overall well-being. By investing in sleep, we invest in our health, productivity, and happiness. So make sleep a priority. Your body and mind will thank you. Sleep is not merely a break from the day, it's an essential pillar of life. Every night, as we drift into slumber, our bodies embark on a remarkable journey of recovery and restoration. During this time, various processes occur, crucial for maintaining good health. Firstly, sleep is vital for brain function. When we sleep, our brains consolidate memories and process information gathered throughout the day. Have you ever noticed how a good night's sleep can lead to clearer thinking? That's because sleep helps clear out toxins that accumulate during waking hours, enhancing cognitive abilities. Moreover, sleep plays a significant role in physical health. It's during sleep that our bodies repair muscles and synthesize proteins. Growth hormones surge, aiding in tissue growth and muscle repair. Without adequate sleep, these processes are hindered, leading to fatigue and a weakened immune system. Additionally, sleep affects emotional well-being. A restrained mind can regulate emotions more effectively. Conversely, sleep deprivation can lead to increased irritability and decreased resilience to stress. This emotional instability can strain relationships and reduce overall life satisfaction. In summary, sleep is a fundamental necessity, intertwined with every aspect of our lives. It is not just a time for rest but a crucial period for rejuvenation. Prioritizing restful sleep can lead to better health, improved mood, and enhanced cognitive function. So, let's embrace the power of sleep. It's a vital investment in our future. Sleep is a powerful ally when it comes to enhancing mental endurance. As we navigate our daily challenges, the brain demands substantial energy and focus. Without sufficient sleep, however, this cognitive power wanes. During the sleep cycle, particularly in the REM phase, our brains actively process information. This not only solidifies memories but also fosters creativity and problem-solving skills. Ever had a breakthrough idea after a good night's rest? That's the brain's way of working through challenges while you sleep. Furthermore, sleep acts as a reset button for our mental faculties. When we sleep well, we awaken with refreshed perspectives, ready to tackle tasks head-on. In contrast, lack of sleep leads to slower reaction times and diminished concentration. This can significantly impact performance, whether in academics, work, or daily decision-making. Additionally, sleep is crucial for emotional regulation. When we are well rested, we are better equipped to cope with stress and adversity. Thus, mental endurance extends beyond cognitive tasks. It encompasses emotional resilience as well. Sleep helps stabilize our mood, allowing us to face challenges with a calm demeanor. In essence, sleeping boosts mental endurance by enhancing cognitive function and emotional resilience. Prioritizing quality sleep is a strategic move toward achieving peak performance in all aspects of life. So, let's commit to better sleep habits. Our minds will surely thank us. Sleep is the ultimate reset for our body systems, acting as a natural rejuvenation process. Each night, as we surrender to slumber, our bodies engage in vital restorative activities that are crucial for overall health. Firstly, during deep sleep, the body undergoes significant repair. Muscle tissue regenerates and cells regenerate, ensuring that we awaken feeling revitalized. This cellular repair plays a vital role in recovery from physical exertion. Without this restorative phase, our bodies struggle to heal, leading to fatigue and increased susceptibility to illness. Moreover, sleep enhances the immune system. While we rest, the body produces cytokines, proteins that combat inflammation and infection. A well-rested body can therefore fend off illnesses more effectively. Conversely, insufficient sleep can weaken immunity, making one more vulnerable to viruses and diseases. Additionally, sleep regulates various bodily functions, including hormone production. For instance, the balance of cortisol, the stress hormone, is influenced by sleep quality. Proper sleep helps maintain stable cortisol levels, reducing stress and promoting overall well-being. Furthermore, sleep has a direct impact on metabolic processes. When we sleep, our bodies manage energy usage better, regulating appetite hormones like ghrelin and leptin. This balance aids in maintaining a healthy weight and preventing obesity. In summary, sleep refreshes the body system by facilitating repair, bolstering immunity, regulating hormones, and managing metabolism. Prioritizing quality sleep is essential for optimal health and vitality. Embrace the power of sleep, and allow your body to rejuvenate itself each night. Getting sleep is always a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. In our fast-paced world, amidst the hustle and bustle, prioritizing sleep can sometimes feel like a luxury. Yet it's essential for both physical and mental well-being. Firstly, consistent sleep patterns help regulate the body's internal clock. This circadian rhythm influences how we feel throughout the day. A well-established sleep routine promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. Have you ever noticed how going to bed and waking up at the same time makes you feel more energized? That's the power of consistency. Moreover, quality sleep has a profound effect on cognitive function. When we get regular, sufficient sleep, our brains perform better. Memory retention improves, attention spans increase, and problem-solving skills sharpen. On the flip side, irregular sleep habits can lead to cognitive decline and increased forgetfulness. In addition, getting sleep is always crucial for emotional stability. Sleep deprivation can heighten stress levels and lead to irritability. With consistent, quality sleep, we can better manage our emotions and cope with life's challenges. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like and comment.